Hello and welcome to my channel. This video is about the fastest way to tie up in Battle Pass and the quickest way to level up weapons. Make sure to watch the video until the end and don't forget to subscribe. In the new update, a mode called Plunder has been added to game, which is very particular mode. Apart from the mode itself where you have to collect more money within a specific time to win, most people do not play this mode to win the game. Let me explain it to you. The winner of this game is the one with the most money. So how do you earn money? By looting boxes, completing contracts, robbing banks, killing enemies, especially those marked on the map for their bounty, looting airdrops, and destroying military helicopters that arrive towards the end of the game. But there are two ways for you not to lose your money. First, go to the helicopter extraction areas and take out your money, which is shown on the map for your enemies. Second, buy a balloon in a buy station and keep your money in the sky. But let's get to main tutorial of your video, the fastest way to fill up your battle pass and level up your weapons. Plunder mode gives you money in the game and XP for quick leveling up your weapons. Just grab it and loot boxes and cash on the ground to level up your weapons quickly. The scavenger contracts help you to loot a lot of money, loot boxes and also get XP contracts. So to level up the weapon, just grab it and loot boxes and collect money on the ground, because collection money will give you a lot of XP. Buildings like this in the game are banks that have a good amount of money on the ground inside, and after entering it you have little chance to leave because of the sound of the bank alarm. Your enemies will know about you and come to hunt you. The best meta video can't be made due to the gun attachments bug. Thank you for supporting me. Wait for the next videos.